Alright guys, welcome to the latest unboxing. Let's see if we need a knife or not. It might just open on its own. Kind of. Come on, get out. Alright, here we go. Yay! Alright, so is that everything in the box? In the parcel? Yeah, I was doing an unparceling today. Cool, so we got two more of these cool little receivers that work very well with my remote, and hopefully this one will be for a boat. Look, see what I did there? See what I did there? Anyway, let's talk about it. Very soon in the next video I will show you something cool, but anyway, it has been much anticipated, and so yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it here. Let's see if we can focus a little bit better. There we go. Yeah, yes, your standard Frsky.
Likey.